Hello viewers, welcome to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make brinjal gothsu. This is a side dish recipe and it goes well with pongal, upma, khichdi and also even with idli and dosa. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button. Now let's take a look at the ingredients that are required to make this dish. 1-inch piece of ginger finely grated, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 2 to 3 brinjals finely chopped, a gooseberry sized tamarind soaked in hot water with a little bit of salt. Once this tamarind is a little bit soft, extract the tamarind water and keep it aside. Now let's get cooking. In a pot, add a little bit of water, around 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add all the vegetables into this. Today I'm using green brinjal variety. If you get green brinjal, please do use that as it enhances the flavor and taste of this dish. If you're not able to get this particular variety, you can use any type of brinjal for this dish. So I'm adding the ginger, onion, tomato and the brinjal, and I'm going to allow them to boil until they are soft. Once the water starts to boil, add a little bit of turmeric, now let this vegetable cook until they are soft. Now as you can see, the water has reduced and the vegetables are also cooked nicely. So at this stage, I'm switching off the gas stove and now I'm going to temper this side dish. So for tempering, heat a little bit of oil, add mustard seeds, urad dal, and for the flavor, I'm going to add a little bit of saunf or fennel seeds. Add these and allow them to splutter. Once they splutter, add a little bit of curry leaves. Now add this tempering to the boiled vegetables. After adding the tempering, mash this mixture nicely. Mash it nicely. Now it's time to flavor this gravy or the side dish. So for flavoring and for the spiciness, I'm going to add red chili powder. Do add this according to your spice level. I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Do adjust this according to your own spice levels. After adding the chili powder, I'm going to add the tamarind water that we extracted earlier. Add the tamarind water. Now give this a good mix. After mixing this well, add a little bit of hing or asafoetida. Mix it well and allow this gravy to boil just for 5 minutes. Now the gravy is ready to serve. Serve it with pongal or any of the tiffin varieties. I hope you liked the video. Do click on the like button. Do subscribe to Lucky Fusion Kitchen. Thank you. See you soon.